Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to fix Skrill app not working. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the Add, Transfer, and Exchange. In the bottom, we have the 5 tabs, which are the Home, the Car tab, Crypto, Sports, and the Rewards tab in the bottom right corner. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix Skrill app not working. So firstly, ensure your mobile or Wi-Fi connection is stable. Try restarting your connection if needed. Log out of the app and log back in. You can do that. Your third option is to make sure you're using the latest version of the Skrill app. You can also go to your device settings, find the Skrill app, and clear its cache and data. Ensure your device has enough free storage space. You should also check that. Uninstall and reinstall the Skrill application. And if possible, try using the app on a different device. If these steps don't resolve the issue, you may need to contact the Skrill support for further assistance. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.